Good evening, my dear traders. Welcome to another episode of It's Chart Time with Muhammad Najib Nazar. So, first of all, we will discuss, we will go through what all levels that I have shared with you yesterday. So, these are the main key levels that I shared with you yesterday in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. In Nifty, these two were the reversal areas. In Bank Nifty, these two were the reversal areas. And actually, I told you that both the Nifty and Bank Nifty had a narrow CPR. So, it will be a trending day for today that I already shared with you yesterday. The reality, let me check the reality. We will discuss about the reality. Okay, let me go through the chart. The market opened exactly far away from what are the points we shared yesterday. Okay, so the market opened with a huge gap down. There are a lot of reasons, Ukraine, Russia war, the global markets down, but we are technical analysts. We saw only what the chart says. Okay, the chart opened with a huge gap down. After that, it also formed a big red candle. But as a technical analyst, we will watch what are the opportunity will we get for our prey. Okay, so when market formed this huge red candle and after that forming a big green candle, then market trying to stabilize, market Nifty trying to stabilize over here, and when this downward hammer formed almost near 10:30. Okay, 10:30, you can see the time. I were posted in my telegram that you can see that 10:36. If the first candle high broken with power and close, I will look to buy call option with a target till Virgin CPR. If it forms, see the point, if it forms a red candle at 20 EMI, I will consider to buy put option. Okay, see exactly what happened. If market go through here and if the if any candle closes the day high with power, surely I will look to buy a call. I will look to buy a call option with a target of the Virgin CPR, but it didn't happen. It respect the 20 exponential moving average and exactly what I said, form a red candle. So you can also consider a put option if you were join our Telegram channel. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, you can join, which is named as the secret pivot. Okay, and the TSP public group also is a public group which is created by us for discussing during the market time. If you have any queries, let us go to the important or the key levels which you can watch out for tomorrow. First of all, we will discuss about the key levels that you have to watch out for tomorrow. Okay, so this is Nifty's important key levels that you have to watch out for. This is tomorrow CPR of Nifty, and this is the swing low, which is the short term swing low in Nifty. When this low closing with a power candle, closing with a power red candle, it will be very dangerous to the market. It will lead, maybe it will lead to 16,426. because the next very good support is at 16,470. So you have to mark this level because this a pale yellow color is the gap between yesterday's close and today's opening. Okay, but not yesterday's close. You have to mark the gap like in this way. First of all, I will switch off the indicators and after I will tell you. In this way, you switch the time frame to the daily candle and always mark the low and high, the yesterday's low and today's high. That will be the exact gap where Nifty tends to fill. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the above important key areas of Nifty. Okay, this is the first Virgin CPR, the first reversal area for Nifty. Okay, and there is a gap over here, and above that there is again a Virgin CPR. Above that there is a daily candle 20 exponential moving average. Above that the monthly pivot. Above that another Virgin CPR. Above that another selling zone. So it shows that there were lot of resistance for Nifty for going upward, but it doesn't mean that Nifty to go downward. You should utilize each and every opportunity. When you get an opportunity when the market going upward and when reaches here, you have a shorting opportunity. Again, when the market closes and fill the gap, when market reaches to here, again you have a shorting opportunity. When market reaches to here, more than this 20 exponential moving average here, these were the reversal area were the best place, because these important key levels will help you to cut your losses short. Because if the market reaches to this area, you can set your stop loss over here. The main important thing, you have to be a profitable, if you want to be a profitable trader, you have to set your stop losses accordingly. Okay, so once again I am telling you that in above Nifty, these were the key levels you have to watch out for a reversal. And if the Nifty open below here, the immediate support is, there is a 200 EMA. And when switching to daily candle, there was a 200 EMA candle also for Nifty, that is at 16,692, which is almost 16,700, where is a good support for Nifty. If that too also broken, surely Nifty will reach to 16,400 within maybe within that trading day or the very next trading day. So then coming to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as you can see that this will be the tomorrow CPR, but in Bank Nifty there is a very good support at over 36,400 and the swing low is at 36,366. So you have to consider this more than this. Okay, 36,372 will be a very good support for Bank Nifty for the downward movement. If it opens anywhere around here, it will be act as a resistance. Okay, and going above, the first reversal chance for a reversal area in Bank Nifty is here, and after that the Bank Nifty have to fill the gap, these 400, 800 points, and this my yellow line is the 20 exponential moving average in daily candle, and also above there were a lot of resistance in Bank Nifty too. This was the first virgin CPR, this were another virgin CPR, and this were the monthly trend resistant candle, and over there is a selling zone over there, and this were the swing high in Bank Nifty. So you have to be more cautious when market going upward in these levels. You get lots and lots of opportunities. Okay, so these were the key important levels that you have to watch out for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. But I always telling you that switch it in this mode, the split mode, and switch the same time frame for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and switch the CPR levels. Okay, and do trade in only in this way. Okay, split the screen and see the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart simultaneously. It will help you to get more profitable trades. So once again I am remind you that if you not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe the YouTube channel, and don't forget to join this Telegram channel. It will be very helpful for your trading career, especially if you are a trader. Okay,